Good morning, everyone. We're filming again today on a beautiful Sunday morning. Right now we're in front of the North Bellmore build. The last time you were here, we were still framing. The roof was supposed to go on. Today I'm going to bring you inside for a progress walkthrough and walk you around the property so you can see what it looks like before we get started with our masonry and landscaping phases. Quite different from Playview 1, this build is a more traditional center hall colonial. And we have this beautiful wide foyer. As you can see, we have our stairs right here. Those are getting installed tomorrow. It's gonna be raining, so I'm stealing the framers from Hicksville 3 and bringing them here so we can start framing the basement and get these stairs in. I'm sorry I didn't get to clean up for all of you, but I'm exhausted and we were working here late last night. But as you can see, this is more of a traditional floor plan. We're gonna have our kitchen right here, family room over here, fireplace over there, and then you have the dining room on this side and the living room on this side. And since this was a reconstruction, you can actually see we kept one wall over here and one garage wall, but everything else is brand new. We have those micro lamps wrapping all the way around. So that was, we were able to get our ceiling height to 9 feet. And even though some of this was old subfloor and some of this is new, I went over it again with 1/2-inch plywood so you have a nice, even surface to install your wood floors. Behind the camera is that mandatory 5th bedroom that I like to get in whenever possible. We have the mudroom, the garage, a full bath, and this beautiful wide open kitchen and family room. I really love when I can get this into the builds because this is where people will spend the majority of their time in. And so the kitchen layout's gonna be as follows. We're gonna have the sink centered to the window, a cabinet on this side, dishwasher on this side. It's gonna wrap around this way. The stove's gonna be right here, the range. The range hood is gonna be vented straight out, which makes my life a lot easier in that bay right there. And then over here, you have the refrigerator, an end panel, and the base cabinet, and on top is gonna be a built-in microwave. And of course, you have the massive mandatory island. And now we're upstairs on the 2nd floor. I got this nice wide hallway in here again. Got 2 bedrooms over here, linen closet, very generous sized rooms in this house. We got the main bath with the double vanity. Another bedroom, this is number 3 over here. Attic, spray foam. We're gonna have a heating unit up there. It's gonna be plywooded. And the spray foam is crucial because it keeps that attic as a conditioned space and saves you a tremendous amount of money in heating and cooling bills because it's not 200 degrees in the summer and 10 degrees in the winter, right above your conditioned space. So now we're inside the master suite, and I had that cool feature again like I did at the East Meadow build where I have this wall right here which will serve as a bed wall. People ask me to knock this wall down all the time, but then I ask them, where are you gonna put your bed? You know, because when you walk in the door, you wanna be able to see, or from the bed, you wanna be able to see the entry for the bedroom. So this is gonna be your bed wall here, TV over here, and this wall separates this sort of sitting area with the closets in the bathroom, and it's got that like hotel suite kind of vibe to it. So you have this sitting area here. You can make this an office, a prayer space, or just a space to put a chair and a half and relax and read a book. You got the natural light coming in, and then you have his closet, her closet, vice versa, or she might get both. And then you have this beautiful master bath, and this floor is clean to my standards. I probably have to go straighten out the 1st floor before that showing, but the layout over here is gonna basically be a soaking tub over here, nice big walk-in shower, double vanity over here, and the toilet over here. So there you have it. There's your 2nd floor layout. It's super important, and I was pushing for this for the last couple weeks, and we actually beat a snowstorm a few days ago to get this siding up and get it looking like a complete build from the outside. This is what allows me to take some pictures and get the house listed and hopefully bring some traffic in. Now, we're catching some good weather over the next couple days. It's almost December, so you want to get the masonry and the landscaping done ASAP. You really only have a couple days left, and this entire mess is going to get cleaned up, and this fence is going to come down. It's going to get regraded. We grounded some stumps last week, replaced that section of fence, which was a disaster. And now the masons can come in, do their grading. I'm going to get a patio over here, tie that into this stoop, tie it into this basement entrance. And this is what people want to see before they can make a serious offer. The cultured stone in the front, the walkway in the front, the driveway carved out. Maybe we won't get to pave the driveway in time, But when you pull up to this house, you're gonna see something that is well on its way to completion, and you just have to put the finishing touches. And where there's any doubts or any questions, all I have to do is take them to the last build, Plainview 1, East Meadow, even introduce them to one of the clients living in my houses, and that'll give them that little last bit of confidence to perhaps close a deal. And as you can see, the neighbor's build is going up. I have my first showing later on today, 12 o'clock, and the fact that you're gonna see a brand new house across the street adds so much value and curb appeal to this neighborhood. On that note, I wanna thank all of you for watching. I'm gonna go inside and straighten up now. We have our first showing at 12 o'clock. Hopefully we can make a deal from there. And in the meantime, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, leave your questions and comments below. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate's my handle. I got content like this on deck every single day. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.